D2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified, and this is just a part 2 of condenser coil cleaning. So I just want you guys to see how the machine works, that it's able to push through the coil. And this is my 45 degree. So I'm going to leave this video is going to be linked to the first video, right? So I won't actually edit it and what you call it, I won't make it just one entire video. I'm just going to make 2 uploads. So it's going to be a part 2 upload. It's going to be rather short, but look at this, right? So I got a chemical. I already sprayed the chemical in there. Bottle is empty. You know what I'm saying? You see? So again, you don't want to go too close with the pressure washer. You want to like have a downwards angle like I'm doing right now. And because if you go too close, and especially if you're using a tip, the red tip or even the yellow tip, the green and the white is pretty safe. Like it's, you know, it mists a lot of mist, so it's pretty safe, right? The red tip gives you more of a streak, or the yellow tip. So you got to be careful if you go towards, you know, like too close and go like horizontal across the coil, the fins, it will bend them down. So look at this. I'm gonna go from the inside, right, and I'm gonna hit it. See that? Coming through nice. Huh? This machine is awesome, man. So I had to do a part 2 so you guys could see. Just dropped my glasses on the roof. Hopefully they didn't get damaged. Hopefully it didn't get damaged. Alright, but anyways, how did this? I don't even know this fell off. The wind blew it off. But yeah, this thing works pretty good, man. This thing is awesome. Look at this. Look right here. Look at it. It's coming through nice. This machine is awesome. You see me over here? And that's the angled tip. Works beautiful. Look at that. It's powerful enough to push through the coil. Huh? Pushing all that dirt. But this coil is not too bad anyways because the water is not that dirty. But yeah. One thing I want to tell you guys when it comes to cleaning, you don't want to put too much chemical, because it's gonna become difficult to rinse out. And if you're using the chemical that I'm using, that blue Nucal Gen, it's rather difficult to rinse off. And if you don't rinse it off properly, this chemical is acid based, so it will heat up the coil, right? It will heat up these aluminum fins. So you got to make sure you rinse it down proper. That's key. Rinse it down properly. All right, because you will damage your fins or the coils. So all the aluminum is going to be heating up, and it's going to be heating up, and then becomes really soft and just falling apart. You have to make sure that you so again, this is part 2, and it's going to be 2 separate uploads. So if you're seeing this, there's going to be a part 1 to this. All right, so you know, like I said, I'm not going to be merging these videos because I don't really do much editing. Rather, I don't do any editing at all. My videos are like real world, real time, real HVAC, simplified. So I don't do any editing. All right, I don't do any editing at all. So it's going to be two uploads. The first upload and the second upload. So just check for that. I'm gonna leave links in both descriptions. All right. So again, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You know what I mean? If you have not subscribed, subscribe. You know, I do upload videos on a weekly basis. So if you're seeing the second part of the video, in the first part I did the setup, my setup exactly with the washer and everything. So go watch that if you want, if you're interested. Yeah, really cool, guys. This machine is awesome, and this is actually satisfying. You know, when I do this, So again, make sure you wash all the chemicals down. Don't go diagonally. I don't want to do it to damage the fins, but if I go too close with this and go diagonally, it will bend these fins down. So you don't want to go diagonal. You want to keep it straight up and down in line with the fins. And make sure you wash all that chemical out. If this chemical is acid, and it will heat up your aluminum fins, and then your condenser coil is going to be ruined. All right. Now look at this right here. So nice, man. This pressure washer is awesome. All right. From the inside here, you want to wash your coils in and out, both sides. Make sure you do a thorough cleaning. You can spray the chemical from the outside only if you want, and then just start by washing from the inside out. Again, you spray the chemical and leave it for you know, probably about 5 minutes. 5 minutes is usually good. Let it work its way in. All right. Again, if you're not subscribed, do so right now. Smash that bell icon so that when I upload videos like these, you get them right away. Okay? I do upload videos on a weekly basis. Yeah, I gotta wash this thing. I gotta spend another 15 minutes just washing this thing down, just washing it down. You know what I mean? Making sure that everything, all the chemical is out. All right. Let me walk over so you guys could see what's going on over here. Got the ladder as I'm up on this roof, right? And then go watch the first part. I'm gonna link it in the description, the first part of this video, and I'm also link this part on the other video. So if you're watching, you know, vice versa. All right. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and just close this off right now. I figure I'll do this bit right here so I can show you guys the machine or the pressure washer at work. If you're interested in this pressure washer, go watch the first video. I have all the details there. Okay. And where I purchased it from. All right. Everything that I'm using, I explained in the first video. Go and see that. All right. Beautiful, guys. As you can see, I'm going around and around because I want to make sure I get all that chemical out. It's important. All right, using an acid-based chemical, you got to wash it properly, guys. You got to rinse it down properly. Make sure there's no more suds. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this video off. All right, remember to like it, subscribe. The videos uploaded on a weekly basis.